What's up, my Credit Wealth Capital crew? This is Renata with Credit Wealth Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on every single Wednesday. Now, today, we're going to talk about why joining a credit union like Navy Federal could be your best financial decision yet. So, without further ado, let's get it. Okay, you guys. Now today we are talking about why joining a credit union like Navy Federal can be your best decision yet. Now, the first reason why it should be is because of the fact that the advantages of a credit union. Now, credit unions really like to actually help you and work with you when actually lending them money. First, they're going to make sure that you are actually financially stable. So make sure that your credit report and that your credit score is no errors in effect. I tell you this always, okay? So make sure that, and then make sure that your credit score and everything is in alignment, and also just let them know exactly what you're doing, because if they can actually help you get to where you're going. I always tell my kids there's no such thing as a dumb question. So ask and you shall receive, seek and you shall find. Plain and simple. So make sure with every credit union that you actually go to, ask them, let them know exactly what you're doing, and tell them what you need. And then they will actually respond to your questions. It's just that simple, okay? Now, Navy Federal Credit Union is a part of any other bank that is out there, and is also a nonprofit, institute that typically offers lower fees, better interest rates, and more personal service. For example, uh, Navy Federal Credit Union also offers for members only. So if you would like to become a Navy Federal Credit Union member, please, I'm going to put the link up here, and then you can actually watch that video and it'll tell you so much information how you actually become a Navy Federal Credit Union member, okay? Now, first you have to actually become a member of a Navy Federal Credit Union. And if you are not a military, if you know somebody, you can get in. It's also a nonprofit status. Credit unions are for nonprofit institutes, which means that they exist to serve their members, not to make a profit or for their shareholders. So credit unions cater to you. So it's not like these other big banks like BAMS, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo. Okay, you would like to want to work with a credit union in the beginning to get funding and to get on your feet. Once you do get to them, then work your way up to these big banks, okay? But to start off, always get with a credit union, okay? Now, it is a nonprofit organization. Members of the credit union require including part of a professional living in a certain area, or belonging to a specific organization. Navy Federal Credit Union, for example, is open active duty or retired personnel, Department of Defense employees, as well as their family members. So again, if you know somebody that's in the military, it's perfect. Get in as much as possible. Membership requirement, I told you I would link that video in the chat box. You will have to know somebody actually to be affiliated with military to be able to get this to join. Lower your fees and better rates, okay? Because credit unions are nonprofit and owned by their members, they typically offer lower cost and better interest rates on loans, savings accounts, and traditional banks, okay? And also personal service. Navy Federal offers have a great personal service and treats their members like individuals and not just an account, not just a number. So getting with a credit union like Navy Federal, they actually treat you like a person. So that's always a good point. Um, Now, community involvement. Navy Federal Credit Union offers have a solid commitment to their community and may offer financial education, volunteer opportunities, as well as other services and benefits within the local area. So, if you would like to do any type of community service, please check out with your Navy Federal. You can actually find out how you can actually participate as well. Now, Navy Federal Credit Union members, I discussed about that. The financial products and services. Um, Navy Federal offers its members, including checking and savings account, our credit cards, loans, mortgages, investments, highly the competitive interest rates and fees for members to enjoy. So just becoming a member, their fees are regulated. Okay. Now for the checking and savings, Navy Federal offers a variety of checking and savings accounts to meet different needs. For example, many members can choose from a free, essential, or a premium checking account and can earn interest in their savings with a high yield savings or money market account. Okay. Now their credit cards, Navy Federal offers several credit cards that different rewards and benefits such as cashback, travel, and low interest rate. Many members can also take advantage of other benefits such as their zero introduction rate APR offer. Okay. Now, when it comes to their loans, Navy Federal offer a range of loans that to help members achieve their goals financially, such as auto loans, personal loans, home equity loans, and student loans. Members can also refinance existing loans to a lower interest rate and monthly payments potential, because I know that's exactly what I'm doing is basically I done refinance my vehicles already, and I got my daughter to do hers as well, and I also going to refinance my house as well through them, so that way I can get a second loan, second mortgage. Okay. So, and then also mortgages. Navy Federal offers a variety of mortgage options, including a fixed and adjustable rate mortgage, VA loans, FHA loans, or jumbo loans. Members can also use the Navy Federal home buying and refinancing to calculate how to help make informed decisions on life. So Navy Federal is awesome, okay? And also with investments, Navy Federal offers investment accounts, including the IRAs as and brokerage accounts to help members plan for retirement and build wealth. Members can also get access to financial advisors or personal investments advisors as well. So look into it, see what you can get, as well as insurance. Everybody needed insurance, especially life insurance. Okay. And Navy Federal offers insurance products, including auto insurance, homeowners insurance, life insurance as well, to help members protect their assets and their loved ones. So that is a win-win situation. Okay. And also business. If you have a business, Navy Federal also offers a range of business banking products and services such as big business checking and savings account, business credit cards, and small business loans. So you cannot lose with Navy Federal. Okay. Now, they also offer members perks. Take advantage of the discount rental cars, their cell phone plans, theme park tickets as well. Um, Personal service. They have they serve Navy Federal members can access a Navy Federal branch ATM nationwide, and they also offer no, I'm getting that confused with USAA. Never mind. But yeah, make sure you take advantage of all those ATMs. And they have so many testimonials that you can actually look and see why Navy Federal is the best place that you should go to get funding, to actually is a bank that will help you get to where you need to go. Okay, so bonus round. Okay, you guys, now bonus round. There are so many different credit unions that are out there that are similar to Navy Federal Credit Union. So I am actually letting you know exactly what other credit unions that are similar to Navy Federal Credit Union. Okay, now the first one is Pentagon Federal Credit Union. PenFed is a credit union that serves military members as well, um, their employees and their well as their families, like Navy Federal. Navy Penn offers variety financial products and services, including checkings and savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and mortgages, as well as investments, just like Navy Federal. If you cannot get on at Navy Federal, try PenFed. It's a great bank. Also, Alliant Credit Union. Alliant Credit Union is also a nonprofit credit union that serves employees and retirees of certain companies and members of certain organizations and associates. Alliant offers a range of financial products and services, including checking and savings, credit card loans, mortgages, and investments accounts. Okay. Now, another one is School First Federal Credit Union. Schools First is a credit union that serves schools, employees, and their family members in California. Like Navy Federal, School First offers a range of financial products, such as including checking and savings, credit cards, loans, mortgages, and investments accounts. Now, this one is one for first that I am new to is Golden One Credit Union. Golden One Credit Union is a credit union that serves residents of California, offering a range of financial products such as you know, checking and savings accounts, credit cards, loans, mortgages, and investments. Okay, so check that out as well. And then one more, you have what is it called? Security Service Federal Credit Union. I think that's what it is. Hold on, let me verify. Check. Yes, Security Service Federal Credit Union. Security Service is a credit union service servicing Texas, Colorado, and Utah residents. Like Navy Federal, Security Service offers a wide range of financial products and such as checking, savings, credit cards, loans, mortgages, and investments. Overall, these across the U.S., these are the most similar credit unions to Navy Federal Credit Union that you can actually have access to, that you can actually join. Okay, now that is my bonus round for today. Okay, you guys, thank y'all so much for listening. Thank y'all for tuning in. My name is Renata. If y'all have any questions, please comment down below. If y'all want to know any information, personal or business, let me know. I am here for y'all. Please don't forget to join our Facebook group as well as listening into my podcast. And then don't forget to also download Clubhouse and hook me up on Clubhouse. That's where you can actually find me. Majority of the time is on Clubhouse. You can also again join our Facebook group. Let me know if you want anything there. Anything we can go on live and discuss anything that you have. Anything that you want to know. Okay. Now, my name is Renata. This is Credit with Capital. Be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward. And I'll see you on the next video.